रिशु, नेहा, आयुष, गौतम, ऑडियो वीडियो क्लियर है? ओके, यस, क्लियर। ओके, we have already completed Nyaya philosophy. Okay, clear. Now note down Vaisheshika philosophy, Vaisheshika darshan. Vaisheshika philosophy. Note down Agrasar. Clear? Okay. Vaisheshika philosophy. The point of the Vaisheshika philosophy is Kanad. K-A-N-A-D. Kanad. Accepted as propounder of Vaisheshika philosophy, Vaisheshika darshan. Vaisheshik darshan. Note down some important point. First of all, Vaisheshika philosophy in orthodox philosophy. Orthodox. Orthodox means accepted validity of Vedas. First point. Orthodox. Theist. Theist means accepted existence of God. Theist. Orthodox. Theist. Clear? Here, God is accepted as efficient cause. God is accepted as only efficient cause of this universe. Only efficient cause of this universe. This universe. Accepted as only efficient cause of this universe. See, Vaisheshika darshan, propounded by Kanad, orthodox philosophy, theist philosophy, accepted God, and here God accepted as only efficient cause of this universe. A realistic philosophy, realism is accepted by realism. Realism means knowable exists outside and independent from knower. Knowable means object exists outside, independent from knower. Note down. It's orthodox philosophy, theistic philosophy, realistic philosophy. Pluralism is accepted by them. Pluralism. Pluralism means many realities are accepted as ultimate realities. Many realities are accepted as ultimate realities. Many realities. Note down. Many realities. Clear? Clear? Many realities. So overall, orthodox, theist, realism, pluralism, Vaisheshika's causal theory is called Asat Karyavad. Asat Karyavad. Already we have discussed Karyavad. Asat Karyavad. Accepted atomistic theory of creation. This world is made of atoms, made by God, made of atoms. Atomistic theory of creation. Theory of creation. Must be aware. Note down. Clear? Is it clear? You must be aware all these things, orthodox, theist, realism, pluralism, causal theory is called Asat Karyavad, atomistic theory of creation. All these things are also accepted by Nyaya. So Indian philosophical system, Nyaya and Vaisheshikas are accepted as allied system. Allied system. Allied system means Saman Tantra. Saman Tantra. E-A-N-T-R-A. Allied system. If you see the syllabus is written like that, Nyaya hyphen Vaisheshika. Although both are mutually separate philosophies, but since regarding a number of points, they have same sort of views, That's why they are treated as allied system. Allied system means regarding a number of points we find similarity between Nyaya and philosophy. Nyayas are known for their theory of knowledge and Vaisheshikas are known for their theory of reality. So Nyayika's theory of knowledge was accepted by Vaisheshikas with some sort of modification, and Vaisheshika's theory of reality was accepted by Nyayikas with some sort of modification. In this sense, both are treated as allied system, Saman Tantra. Saman Tantra. Both have accepted Asad Karyavad. Both have accepted God is only efficient cause. Both have accepted many realities. Object exists outside independent from nowhere. This world is made of atoms, atomistic theory of creation, theist, orthodox, etc. Must be aware. So, in this way, allied system. Nyaya philosophy, theory of knowledge, or epistemology dominates. Epistemology. This one dominates. And Vaisheshika philosophy, theory of reality, that is metaphysics dominate. Metaphysics. It should be clear. That's the most important difference between these two philosophies. Clear? Clear? चार लोग बोलो पहले. Is it clear? एक एक पार्ट में चलेंगे हम. Is it clear? Clear? Agar sir, is it clear? You can say both Nyaya and Vaisheshikas are orthodox, theist, God accepted as only efficient cause of this universe. Both have supported realism. Buddhism is supported by them, many relatives. Their causal theory is known as Asat Karyavad. Effect is a new beginning. They have accepted atomistic theory of creation. All such kind of things are accepted by both. Yes or no? That's why they are treated as allied system. Clear? Is it clear? Okay. Now, atomistic theory of creation. Now, one by one. Next. Note down. Now, see the syllabus. First topic we are going to discuss this one. First of all. In Nyaya Vaisheshika philosophy, if you see the syllabus, you will find in Indian, see here, although these two are mutually different philosophical systems, Nyaya and Vaisheshikas, Nyaya hyphen, since regarding a number of points, both have same sort of views, that's why they are treated as allied system. Here, Nyaya and Vaisheshika. Nyaya was propounded by Gautam, Vaisheshika is propounded is Kanad. We have so far, we have discussed only this particular topic, theory of, we have just discussed theory of Pramana, we have discussed in detail, and we have also discussed theory of causation. Only two topics so far we have discussed. Two, जो ज़्यादा लेंदी है, we have discussed. Theory of Pramana, सबसे लेंदी topic है इसका. And we have discussed. We have not discussed liberation, God, proof of the existence of God, atomistic theory of creation. Even I have not discussed categories. Now we are going to discuss categories. Theory of category. Note down. Category और पदार्थ. PADARTH. दोनों लिखोगे. Categories. You may find पदार्थ means पदार्थ. Hindi पदार्थ and English also padarth directly. Must be aware here. In our syllabus, theory of categories is written here. Theory of categories. But you have to remember, even must be aware the term padarth also. Padarth may be translated in English directly as padarth. ऐसे हो सकता है. मान के चले वो कैटेगरी और आ गया पदार्थ तो कई बार प्रॉब्लम. See here. See here. In 2000, in 97, Padarth short notes, directly Padarth, English में Padarth, not written categories. So you have to be alert. See here. Here the term Padarth is written English translation. Category is written. Now see once again. See here. 2013. The term Padarth is written here. What are the grounds for accepting Samvaya as a distinct but not written category directly? Padarth. Padarth means Padarth. Alert. नहीं तो कई बार इंग्लिश वालों को ये सब दिक्कत होती है. So wherever possible, I will explain. Here once again, in Hindi Padarth, here categories. In English, in our syllabus, categories written. See here. Again, Padarth and categories written. Category. Good. ठीक है? You have to be alert. Question is possible. पदार्थ को पदार्थ भी हो सकता है, ध्यान रखना. अगेन कैटेगरी अनुवाद है. ठीक है. ओके. ओके. नेक्स्ट ध्यान रखना बोथ. तो पदार्थ in bracket category, write down, note down that. Is it clear? Yeah. Okay. You must be aware, if you will see, एक थोड़ा डिटेल से आप जान लो कि if you will see in Indian tradition, Vaisheshika's philosophy is known for their metaphysics. Note down metaphysics bracket में theory of reality. एक थोड़ा स्ट्रक्चर बना लो. Regarding theory of reality, two types of things are there. First one is number, and second one is nature of those realities, nature. Number and nature. Regarding number, if you will see, regarding number, one group has accepted many realities, pluralism. Pluralism is accepted by Naiyayikas, Vaisheshikas, Charvakas, etc. They have accepted pluralism, even Jainism. Nyaya, Vaisheshika, Charvaka, Jainism, etc. They have accepted pluralism. Pluralism means accepted many realities as ultimate realities. Yes or no? Then dualism. Dualism means two types of realities, two types. And this one is supported by two philosophies. Sankhya and second one is Madhva, M-A-D-H-Y. Madhva. Sankhya and Madhvacharya have supported dualism. And finally, non-dualism. Non-dualism by Shankaracharya. We'll discuss this one in detail. So regarding number of realities, a lot of discussion in Indian tradition. Nyaya, Vaisheshika, Charvak, Jain, etc. have supported pluralism. Sankhya and Madhvacharya have accepted dualism. Sankhya and Madhvacharya. And regarding nature of ultimate realities, one group has said that those ultimate realities are material in nature, material. So this theory is known as materialism. Materialism. Second group has accepted both. Must be aware. मतलब nature of ultimate reality, material and conscious both. Both types. And here you will find Sankhya philosophy, etc. Sankhya. Material भी है, conscious भी है, Sankhya. Yes or no? Both types of realities are accepted. Sankhya hai, apart from Nyaya also, Vaisheshika also, they have accepted ultimate realities, material also, many material, even conscious also. Nyaya, Vaisheshika, etc. Ultimate reality is conscious in nature, accepted as Brahma by Shankaracharya. pure conscious in nature. Ultimate reality is pure conscious in nature. That is Shankaracharya. Materialism, Charvaka. Accepted ultimate reality is material in nature only. Ultimate realities are both conscious भी है, unconscious भी है, material भी है. तो सांख्य, प्रकृति, पुरुष, न्याय, many realities. Some of them are material, some are conscious. Even Jaina philosophy, न्याय वैशेषिक philosophy, etc. Is it clear? पहले बोलो, इतना बोलो. So overall Indian philosophy regarding theory of reality, न्याय, वैशेषिक, चार्वाक, Jainism, many realities. Two types of realities. Two types. Sankhya, Madhvacharya. Non-dualism supported by Shankaracharya. Ultimate reality is material in nature. That is Charvaka. Ultimate reality is material as well as some of them are material, some of them are conscious. Example, Sankhya. Nyaya also. Many realities, some of them are material, some are conscious. Nyaya, Vaisheshika, etc. And Shankaracharya, ultimate reality is material. Ultimate reality is conscious in nature. Brahm is only ultimate reality, and that is pure conscious in nature. Clear? Follow clear? Is it clear? Is it clear? Gautam. Overall in Indian philosophy regarding metaphysics, regarding theory of reality, we find regarding numbers, some of have accepted many realities, two types of realities, ultimate realities, non-dualistic in nature, Shankaracharya. Ultimate reality is material in nature, four kinds of ultimate realities, and all are material, Charvaka. Although pluralism, all are material. See, Vaisheshika philosophers have also accepted pluralism. Pluralism. Charvakas have also accepted pluralism, many realities. But Vaisheshikas, many realities, some of them are conscious, some are material. Charvaka, all those realities are material in nature, earth, air, water, fire. And all are material only. Clear? Okay. Soumya Kumari, Ayush Gautam. Now, first point we are going to discuss, that is Padarth. ब्रैकेट में कैटेगोरीज दोनों लिखना. कई लोग केवल ये पढ़ के गए थे और प्रॉब्लम में आ गए पास्ट में. बाद में आए कि पदार्थ also. Substance is one aspect of Padarth. Risuraj. Padarth, Padarthas are of 7 types. Substance is one of them. It's a part of Padarth. One aspect of Padarth. Now I am going to explain. Padarth Vichar. Clear? Padarth Vichar. Note down introduction. Intro. Overall, 7 padarthas are accepted by Vaisheshikas. 7 padarthas. You must be in process of writing padartha vichar. No need to write according to Nyaya Vaisheshika. Write Vaisheshika only. Always write Vaisheshika only. Vaisheshika. Note down. Liberation is accepted as highest aim of our life. According to Vaisheshika. Even according to Nyaya also. Liberation is accepted as the highest aim of our life. It's the highest aim of our life. No, liberation is accepted as the highest aim of our life. For liberation, knowledge of reality is required. Knowledge of reality is must for liberation. Knowledge of reality is must. Knowledge of reality. Tattva Gyan. The knowledge of reality is must for liberation. For knowledge of reality, for knowledge of reality, it is must to discuss padarth. So far as you will not discuss padarth or categories, unable to understand knowledge of reality. See the in which we were writing the introduction. Highest aim is basically liberation. Liberation is possible through knowledge of reality. And for getting knowledge of reality, it is must to discuss padarth. Without proper discussion of padarth, you can't find knowledge of reality. And so far you do not find knowledge of reality, liberation is not possible, which is the highest aim of our life. So see, in which we were going to discuss padarth. Highest aim is liberation. For liberation, knowledge of reality is required, must. And for knowledge of reality, it is must to discuss padarth. Main structure. Main structure. Padarth. Clear? Padarth. Padarth. Note down. Metaphysical point of view, Sankhya supports pluralism. Metaphysical point of view, Vaisheshika's support pluralism. Metaphysical point of view. Here, second point. Here, 7 padarthas are accepted. 7 padarthas or categories. Padarthas are accepted. 7 padarthas or categories are accepted. See, metaphysical point of view, Vaisheshikas have supported pluralism. Pluralism means many realities. And here, how many? Total 7 padarthas are accepted. Here, ashay, meaning of padarth, meaning. Note down first point. Meaning. First point. Meaning of a word is called padarth. Meaning of a word is called padarth. Padasya artha padartha. Meaning of a word is called padarth. Meaning means padarth means meaning of a word. पदार्थ मीन्स ये पदार्थ है. पदार्थ मीन्स पद का अर्थ. इन संस्कृत पदस्य अर्थ पदार्थ. पद का अर्थ. पद मीन्स टर्म, मीनिंग ऑफ ए वर्ड. पद मीन्स वर्ड हियर. अर्थ मीन्स मीनिंग. मीनिंग ऑफ ए वर्ड इज कॉल्ड पदार्थ. Literal meaning of the term padarth means meaning of a word. Meaning of a word or object signified by a word is called padarth. Padasya artha padartha. Meaning of a word or object signified by a word is called padarth. Object signified by a word is called padarth. See, in process of writing padarth vichar, first of all, write highest aim is liberation. For liberation, knowledge of reality is required. For knowledge of reality, it is must to discuss padarth. Vaisheshikas have supported pluralism. Pluralism accepted many padarthas. And overall, they have accepted 7 padarthas. Padarth means meaning of a word or object signified by a word is called padarth. This one is the first part. Second aspect. Note down. It is defined as in Sanskrit as avidhyatvam gyatvam padarthatvam. The term is padarth is defined as like that. So note down. All existent reals which are knowable and nameable are called padarth. All existent reals which are object of knowledge or which are nameable and knowable are called padarth. See, it is defined as astitvam, gyatvam, avidhyatvam, padarthatvam. Existence, nameable and knowable. Knowable namable, and existence. These three features are required for being padarth. Anything which is knowable and nameable is called padarth. Yatvam, avidhyatvam, padarthatvam. Anything which is possible to know and possible to provide some name is called padarth. See the term. Once again. Vaisheshika philosophers have supported pluralism, accepted total 7 padarthas or categories. What do you mean by padartha? Meaning of a word is called padarth, or object signified by a word is called padarth. All existent reals which are knowable, knowable means possible to know, and nameable, possible to associate with some name, knowable and nameable, जिसको हम नाम दे सकते हैं, आर कॉल्ड पदार्थ. इन संस्कृत इट इज डिफाइंड एज अस्तित्वम, ज्ञत्वम, अभिध्यत्वम, पदार्थत्वम. All existent reals which are knowable and nameable are called padarth. Are called padarth. Just see once again meaning. यहाँ पे 2 पॉइंट्स हमने लिखा है, ध्यान करना. All existent reals which are knowable and nameable, abhidhyatvam, are called padarth. Two important features. And for the last, I think 10 years or 15 years, at least 7-8 times, you have to write the term, this particular 2 lines. Meaning of a word or object signified by a word is called padarth. All existent reals which are knowable and nameable are called padarth. 7 kinds of padarth are there. Types. Types. 7 types. 7 types of padarth are accepted. 7 types of padarth are accepted. Dravya, guna, karma, सामान्य, समवाय, विशेषण, अभाव. द्रव्य, द्रव्य, गुण, कर्म, सामान्य, समवाय, विशेष एंड अभाव. यह टेक्निक बता रहा हूं कैसे इजीली यू विल एबल टू राइट 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and this 7 if we have completed almost one question almost every year. See, द्रव्य, गुण, कर्म, सामान्य, समवाय, विशेषण, अभाव. See one by one. देखो हम लोग लास्ट 10 years का देख रहे हैं. अगर 7 कंप्लीट किया तो कितना लिखोगे और कॉम्प्लेक्स क्वेश्चन लिखोगे आप. आसान नहीं. गो थ्रू दिस 7 पदार्थ माइन्यूटली. 2020 देखो आप लास्ट में. विशेष टोटल 7 पदार्थ था. द्रव्य, गुण, कर्म, सामान्य, समवाय, विशेष. विशेष वाज आस्क्ड इन 2020. एक मिल गया, 7 में से एक 20 में है, ठीक है. 20 में एक मिला. 10 साल का देखते हैं डाटा इसका. नाइनटीन 20 के बाद 19 देखो. स्टेटस ऑफ अभाव एज ए कैटेगरी. 7th पदार्थ अभाव. द्रव्य, गुण, कर्म, सामान्य, समवाय, विशेषण, अभाव. 7th one was asked 19, 6th one was asked in 20. 20 में 19 और 20 दोनों में है. तो कितना इसको बारीकी से देखना है. Even here also, if here also, how do Vaisheshika philosophy explain the difference of the relationship between 2 cases? The brown color of the table, the brown color of the table, and the book on the table. So to write this one also, knowledge of padarth is must. Without having proper knowledge of padarth, not possible to write even 18 question. 18 वाला भी पदार्थ से indirectly connected है. 18, 19 and 18, 19, 20 तीनों साल. See here. 18 में second question once again. Now, if you explain the knowledge, the absence of jar on the table, absence of jar, it's also related to abhava padarth. But here you have to write knowledge aspect. So how we find knowledge of abhava, this one is discussed here. But related है indirectly. 3 डायरेक्टली है, 3, 18, 19, 20, 17 वैशेषिका पदार्थ है अकॉर्डिंग टू वैशेषिका फिलोसफी। 17 में है, 18 में है, 19 में है, 20 में है। देखो फ्रीक्वेंसी, देखो इन विच वे वास्ट सी हियर। अभाव है जन इंडिपेंडेंट कैटेगरी, अभाव है कैटेगरी 16 में भी है, 16 में भी है। और पहले देख लो 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 में भी देखेंगे। इतना गेस कर सकते हो आप। द्रव्य ओवरऑल 7 पदार्थ जाते हैं। द्रव्य गुण, सेकेंड वन इज गुण, गुण पे क्वेश्चन है ऑलरेडी। गुणाज इट्स ऑल्सो ए काइंड ऑफ पदार्थ, 15 में भी है, 15, 16, 17, 18। समवाय, द्रव्य गुण कर्म सामान्य समवाय वाजास्टीन 13 में भी है। 20 में देख लेते हैं आप, 21 में लगातार में सवाल दिखा दो, इसको करके जाओ, 100% करके जाओ, एक सवाल मिल सकता है इससे। और 10 में से आउट ऑफ 10 पॉसिबल टू फाइट 7, 8 इतना फिक्स है। 2010, 2021 समवाया, वंस अगेन समवाया, अयुत सिद्ध इनसेपरेबिलिटी, समवाय, द्रव्य गुण कर्म सामान्य समवाय, समवाय पे डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन, इनसेपरेबिलिटी समवाय, ये देखो समवाय। इवन इन 21, 22 में भी देख लोगे आप। 22 में जो आगे एग्जाम होगा मस्ट बी अवेयर। तो फॉर द लास्ट 7 years, 8 years, 7 times क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम दिस। सबको कर लो, द्रव्य को देख लो, गुण कर्म सामान्य समवाय विशेष अभाव। ये सामान्य जो लिखा हुआ है इसके बाद स्टार दे लो, और 22 लिख लो, स्पेशली दिस वन सामान्य यूनिवर्सल, स्पेशली इसको देख लेना। देखते हैं आगे क्या होता है, बट इसको स्पेशली गेस कर लो। इज इट क्लियर? पहले बोलो इतना। नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सी वन बाय वन। मैं इस पे ट्रिक्स बता रहा हूं कि सातों पे हाउ इजिली यू कैन एबल टू राइट। सी मीनिंग ऑफ पदार्थ, वी हैव डिस्कस्ड मीनिंग ऑफ पदार्थ। पदार्थ मीन्स मीनिंग ऑफ ए वर्ड, ध्यान रखना, मीनिंग ऑफ ए वर्ड, द मीनिंग ऑफ ए वर्ड इज कॉल्ड पदार्थ। और द ऑब्जेक्ट signified by a word is called padarth. And anything which is knowable and nameable, knowable means possible to know, possible to know or and nameable means possible to provide a name, nameable, is called padarth. And you must be aware, Nyaya philosophers are realist. Any padarth is knowable, and according to realism, knowable exists outside, independent from us. It means ki realist, it means, and padarthas are knowable. Padarthas are knowable. Since it's a feature, anything which is knowable and nameable is called padarth. Since padarthas are knowable, and knowable, since Nayayikas are realist also, padarthas are knowable, and knowable exists separate, independent from us. It means कि padarthas are objective realities, objectively real, objective realities. They have their existence outside from knower. They are objectively real. Padarthas are objectively real. इसको एक बार फिर से देख लो। जितने क्वेश्चन है ना, सब में पॉसिबिलिटी इतने लाइन को लिखने की, 1, 2, 3-4 लाइन्स लिखने की. Nyaya philosophers have supported, Nyaya basically have supported realism. Realism is knowable, exist outside, independent from knower. And since padarthas are knowable, that's why we have to accept padarthas have their own separate, independent existence from us. It means they are objectively real. They have their existence outside from our mind. They are objectively real. They are objective realities, not dependent on our mind. Must be aware. Objectively real. Since, why objectively real? Since padarthas are accepted as knowable. And according to realism, knowable exist outside, independent from our mind. ध्यान रखना इतनी चीजों को. इतने पे तो गेम है इसका. इसी पे गेम है. मैं गेम खेलने का तरीका बता रहा हूँ. सारी कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी निकल जाएगी इसी से. अदरवाइज मतलब फैक्चुअल टच लिया हुआ है, इसलिए थोड़ी सतर्कता. ऑब्जेक्टिवली रियल मीन्स which has existence outside from our mind. Golden mountain, where it exists? Jim Chaturvedi. Golden mountain, only in mind. Padarthas outside from our mind. Objectively real. Clear? बोलो clear. इतना लाइन clear? सारे लोग बोलो इतना लाइन clear. एक बार बोलो सारे लोग. Is it clear? एक बार इसको डिस्कस कर लो ठीक से. इट्स वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. हाउ मेनी लाइन्स? एटलीस्ट 4 to 5 लाइन्स यू हैव. मीनिंग ऑफ पदार्थ. You must be, there are 7 padarthas total. Dravya, guna, karma, samanya, samvaya, visheshan, abhav. If question is asked, dravya vichar, so you may write drav is a padarth. Why? Since drav has also a meaning, and drav is that, padarth is that the object signified by a word. So the term drav also signified something. It said drav is a padarth. Drav is knowable and knowable, and drav is objectively real. ये सारे पॉइंट्स इन सातों पे लिखा जा सकता है. इट इज पॉसिबल टू राइट दिस 5-6 लाइन्स रिगार्डिंग ईच वन ऑफ देम. किसी पे क्वेश्चन है 5 लाइन उठा के. एवरीथिंग दिस ऑल दिस 7 आर बेसिकली पदार्थ. So this definition will be certainly applicable regarding each one of them. At least 6 lines we have fixed. कोई क्वेश्चन पूछ ले, मान लो सामान्य पूछे 6 लाइन्स. सामान्य जे पदार्थ. भाई सामान्य जे पदार्थ, पदार्थ का पूरा लिख दो वहां पे. Clear? So we are in padarth vichar. Meaning of padarth is clear. Now types of padarthas. Types of padarth. Note down dravya. 7 types of padarth. Dravya means substance. Guna, attribute. Karma is action. Quality है, ये action है. सामान्य, universal. Samvaya, inherence. Vishesh. Last year this question was asked. Vishesh. Particularity. Last one is abhav, non-existence. Abhav. Total 7 padarthas is there. Total 7. एक बार सारे लोग बोलो. द्रव्य, गुण, कर्म, सामान्य, समवाय, विशेष and अभाव. Total 7. First 6 are called bhava padarth. Bhava padarth are of 6 types. And 7th one is abhav padarth. 7th one is abhav padarth. Padarthas are classified in 2 groups. Abhava or non-being. Abhava. Bhava means being. Bhava Padarth, 6 types of Bhava Padarth, BHAVA, and the 7th one is Abhava Padarth. So 7 Padarthas are accepted by Vaisheshikas. First 6 are Bhava, last one, 7th one is Abhava Padarth. Now one by one we are going to discuss this. अब पिछले 10 साल में 8 बार सवाल है, ध्यान रखना. Prepare this particular topic minutely, each and everything. At least one you are going to write. If you see the last year trend. And not only here, BPSC also, UPPCS also. देखो यहाँ पे. अच्छा, ये तो हमने देख लिया. See the question. In UPPCS, BPSC, 64 or 65. What do you mean by Dhabya? Substance. 7 Padartha, this one is the first one. First one, Dhabya. In detail. 50 marks question even in BPSC. So now we are going to discuss one by one. Dhabya Vichar, Guna Vichar, Karma, Samanya, Samvaya, Visheshana. Not knowledge. What I have said, Padarth means meaning of a word. जैसे मैं कहूं बोर्ड का मीनिंग क्या है? बोर्ड का मीनिंग ये बोर्ड वस्तु है. ऑब्जेक्ट सिग्निफाइड बाय ए वर्ड इज कॉल्ड पदार्थ. पेन एक वर्ड हुआ. पेन किसको सिग्निफाइड? पेन इज ए काइंड ऑफ वर्ड. इट इंडिकेट्स टू व्हाट्स whom? पेन. दिस वन इज ए पदार्थ. यस और नो? ऑब्जेक्ट सिग्निफाइड बाय ए वर्ड. वॉल. The term wall is a kind of pada, word, and signifies to what something. That is basically padarth, you can say. How we find knowledge of padarth is a different thing. Padarth means padarth. Must be aware. Padarth means categories. No need to equate matter. फंस जाओगे matter करोगे तो. Risudaj, why you are translating as matter? हमने पदार्थ को ट्रांसलेट किया है कैटेगरी, यानी वी आर ट्रांसलेटिंग पदार्थ एज मैटर. वाह. पदार्थ मींस कैटेगरी. वेरी बिगिनिंग आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड. पदार्थ ब्रैकेट में कैटेगरी. इधर राइट पदार्थ और कैटेगरी. एंड इफ यू गो थ्रू डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ पदार्थ आर देयर. सम आर materials, elements are also accepted as padartha. Even soul is also accepted as, must be as a kind of padarth. Meaning of matter means unconscious element. This one is a material element. It is made of matter. We are conscious. Very beginning I have explained the term padarth means meaning of a word. Word का जो meaning है वही पदार्थ है. जैसे मैं कहूँ, मैंने कहा पेन. इसका मीनिंग क्या है? पेन एक वर्ड है. एंड व्हाट डू मीन बाय पेन? पेन मीन्स ये पेन ऑब्जेक्ट हुआ, तो ये पदार्थ हो गया. मीनिंग ऑफ ए वर्ड इज कॉल्ड पदार्थ, और ऑब्जेक्ट सिग्निफाइड बाय ए वर्ड इज कॉल्ड पदार्थ. ठीक है. शुरुआत में डेफिनेशन हमने बताया है. पदस्य अर्थ पदार्थ, अस्तित्वम ज्ञत्वम अविध्यत्वम पदार्थत्वम. एनीथिंग विच इज नोएबल एंड नेमेबल. इट इज पॉसिबल टू नो, and we have associated it also a name. ये मार्कर है. Possible to know, it is knowable and nameable both. It's a padarth. It has existence also. नाउ नोट डाउन द्रव्य, फर्स्ट काइंड ऑफ पदार्थ द्रव्य। अब कैसे पदार्थ में लिखोगे ये देखो आप, 7 पदार्थ आज नोट डाउन, 7 पदार्थ आज। नाउ वन बाय वन वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस। इंट्रोडक्शन, अगर द्रव्य पे सवाल आए, द्रव्य मीन्स सबस्टांस, इंट्रोडक्शन, यही इंट्रोडक्शन सब में लिखोगे, मोस्ट ज्यादातर में। नोट डाउन, इन बेसिका फिलोसफी total 7 padarthas are accepted. How many total 7 padarthas? 7 padarthas. Bracket में categories. In Vaisheshika philosophy, total 7 padarthas. Bracket में categories are accepted. Second point. They are classified in 2 groups, bhava and abhava. Bhava and abhava. Abhava. Third point. Bhava padarthas are of 6 types. Bhava padarthas are of 6 types. Rab is one of them. Rab is a bhava padarth. Clear. Introduction clear. Vaisheshikas have accepted 7 padarthas. They are classified in 2 groups, bhava and abhava. Rab is a kind of bhava padarth. अगर मान लो द्रव्य को छोड़कर अगर गुण पे आ जाए, कर्म पे आ जाए, सामान्य, समवाय, विशेष पे आ जाए, तो यू कैन राइट दिस 3 लाइन्स इन द वेरी बिगिनिंग और 1 मोर लाइन। गेम कैसे खेलना है? Vaisheshikas have supported pluralism. Metaphysical point of view, Vaisheshika philosophers have supported pluralism. Pluralism. Pluralism means many realities. They have accepted 7 categories of padartha. They are classified in 2 groups. First 6 are bhava. Rab is one of them. अब द्रव्य को हटा के गुण पे आ गया तो गुण इज वन ऑफ देम, कर्म इज वन ऑफ देम, सामान्य इज वन ऑफ देम, समवाय इज वन ऑफ देम, विशेष इज वन ऑफ, विशेष इज ए काइंड ऑफ भाव पदार्थ। तो देखो कितना आसान हो जाएगा। इफ एनी क्वेश्चन इज आस्क्ड रिगार्डिंग गुण, कर्म, सामान्य, समवाय, विशेष, फर्स्ट 6 यू मे राइट दिस 4 लाइन्स इंट्रोडक्शन। परफेक्ट सेटिंग है, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, इजी टू प्रिपेयर। अदरवाइज कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी क्रिएट कर लोगे, टफ टास्क हो जाएगा टू रिटेन ऑल दो थिंग्स सेपरेटली। मान लो अगर रह गया समवाय, वाई समवाय, समवाय मान लो समवाय पे आ गया, इन विच वी विल राइट Vaisheshika philosophers have supported pluralism from metaphysical point. They accepted many realities. They have accepted total 7 categories of padartha. They are classified in 2 groups, bhava and abhava. First 6 are bhava padarth. Rab is one of them. Rab is a kind of bhava padarth. Yeah, samvay is a kind of bhava padarth. Samvay is a kind of bhava padarth. So at least 4 lines तो निकल गया ना प्रॉपर वे में, परफेक्ट तरीके से। सारे लोग बोले जी क्लियर? पहले बोलो यही तरीका अपनाना पड़ेगा। Is it clear? No need to read all those 7 entirely separate from each other. All those 7 are types of padarth. So if we have few lines regarding padarth, write all those points even regarding their parts. पहले बोलो। Is it clear? अब मान लो अगर पूछ ले सामान्य के बारे में, एक्सप्लेन सामान्य, I will write Vaisheshikas have supported pluralism from metaphysical points of view. They accepted many realities. They have accepted total 7 padarthas. They are classified in 2 groups, bhava and abhava. Samvay is a kind of bhava padarth. Pada change. Now you will start to write meaning of the term samvay and types and some other things. But 3-4 lines perfect. तो द्रव्य विचार में इस तरीके से मेन स्ट्रक्चर। द्रव्य, द्रव्य के बारे में लिखोगे। द्रव्य और सबस्टांस इज दैट, द्रव्य और सबस्टांस इज दैट where action and qualities in here, and which is the coexistence material cause of, and which is the coexistence material cause of the composite thing produced from it. Note down once again. You can take help of printed notes also. The substance is that where action and quality in here, and which is the existent material cause of the composite object or composite things produced from it. In Sanskrit, it is defined as Kriya Gulvat Samvai Karanam Zabhyam. You may make this chart also. We have written this one. For example, this one is thread, dhaga hai, thread, threads, dhage, tantu. And from threads, cloth is made. Cloth, this one is a piece of cloth, imagine. Cloth. And in this part, you'll find qualities and action, and this one is basically called Zabbe. See, Zab is that what is written. Zabbe substance is that where action and qualities in here, and which is accepted as the coexistence material cause of the object produced from it. Cloth is made of threads. This was the material cause, and you can't coexistence. But you can't separate this one from cloth. You can't separate these threads from cloth. It's a coexistence material cause. Cloth is made of threads. It's a material cause, and it is coexistent. You can't separate cloth and threads. So, Zab is that where the quality is in action in here, and which is accepted as the coexistence material cause of the composite object produced from it. It's a kind of composite object produced from. This one is, we have written this one in process of writing cause. Now, this after writing definition, you may write substances of 7 types, substances of 9 types. Zabyas are of 9 types. 9 types printed notes. केवल फैक्चुअल चीजें हैं. 9 को लिखना है. अर्थ, एयर, वाटर, फायर, ईथर. अर्थ, एयर, ईथर. स्पेस, टाइम, soul and mind. Total 9. Total 9 kinds of zabyas or substance. 9 kinds of zabyas. Earth, air, water, fire, ether, space, time, mind, soul. Soul, mind. Total 9, one line, each one of them sufficient. Factual information. Zabbe vichar clear. Zabbe vichar clear. Zabbe vichar clear. Zabyas are there. Clear. Zabya. Note down attributes. Attributes or qualities, you can say. Qualities or attributes. You may write qualities or attributes. Qualities or attributes. Note down. Guna. Gunaj. Or attribute. Guna or attribute. How you will write? Now, first point introduction. See the. इसके बाद introduction नहीं लिखेंगे. You have to cut and paste this particular part. Introduction. Metaphysical point of view. Vaisheshika have supported pluralism. They have accepted total 7 padarth. 7 padarth or categories which are classified in 2 groups, bhava and abhava. Guna is a kind of bhava padarth. Yes. Perfect हो गया introduction. See, metaphysical point of view, Vaisheshikas have supported pluralism. They have accepted total 7 padarthas. They are classified in 2 groups, bhava and abhava, and guna is a kind of bhava padarth. Perfect. इससे ज्यादा क्या कर लोगे? Guna is a bhava padarth. And after that, meaning. What do you mean by a definition of the term guna? Note down. Guna is defined as, or Kanad defined guna as that which inhere in a substance. Kanad defines quality or guna as that which inhere in a substance which does not possess qualities or action in itself. Which does not possess qualities or action in itself. First point, qualities are those which are inhere in substance. Inhere in substance. And second point, in quality you will not find other quality, not find other quality or action. In a quality you will not find quality and action. It means that qualities are mere qualities. Qualities are devoid of other qualities and action. You must be aware. Sankhya philosophy, each quality has a number of qualities. Here, Vaisheshika philosophy, in one quality you can't find another quality. In quality you will not find action also. And qualities are inhere in substance. Then types of qualities. Total 24 qualities are accepted. Known to remember all, just 2-3 लिख सकते हो. Printed notes. Now see, total 24 kinds of qualities. Finally, 24 qualities are accepted. Note down. And all those qualities are classified in 2 groups. Some are material qualities and some are conscious qualities. Conscious qualities means, for example, pain, pleasure, desire, will, etc. And color, touch, taste. These are material qualities. Color, touch, taste, etc. Taste, touch, color, etc. You must be aware. And in 24 qualities are accepted, classified in 2 groups, material and conscious qualities. As a ground of conscious quality, ground of material quality, material substance is accepted. Material substance is accepted. As a ground of material quality, material substance is accepted by Nyayikas, Vaisheshikas, Nyaya Vaisheshika both. And as a ground of conscious quality, soul is accepted by them. Ground of conscious qualities, soul is accepted. Note down. Soul is accepted as ground of conscious qualities, and material substance is accepted as the ground of material quality. Material quality, material substance, conscious quality is conscious substance. In Nyaya Vaisheshika, overall you may write Nyaya Vaisheshika. As a ground of material quality, material substance is accepted. As a ground of conscious quality, soul is accepted. Eternal soul, permanent soul, immortal soul. Accepted by Nyaya Vaisheshika. Now, if you will see in Buddhist philosophy, Buddhism, as a ground of material qualities, they have not accepted material substance. They have rejected material substance. Yogachar Vigyanvadin. They have refuted material substance as a ground of material qualities. And as a ground of conscious qualities, they have refuted eternal soul. Eternal soul is also rejected by them. So Buddhists have accepted qualities, but not accepted material substance as a ground or eternal soul as a ground. Nyaya Vaisheshika philosophy as a ground of qualities, substance is accepted. Total 24 qualities as a ground of material qualities, material substance is accepted. What are material qualities? Touch, taste, smell, etc. And as a ground of substratum of conscious qualities, soul is accepted. Where we find pain, pleasure, desire, etc. You can't find pain, pleasure in marker and wall and board. Not find. In conscious element, you will find such kind of qualities, pain, pleasure, etc. So the ground of conscious qualities, conscious element, that is soul, and the ground of material qualities, material substance is accepted by Nyaya Vaisheshika both. On the other hand, Buddhism, as a ground of material qualities, material substance is rejected by Yogachar Vijnanavad. We have seen material Yogachar Vijnanavad. Only ideas are real and ideas are dependent on soul. And the ground of conscious qualities, even they have refuted eternal soul. No eternal soul. So although Buddhist philosophers have accepted qualities, but not accepted any eternal element as a ground of those qualities. This one is a debate between Nyaya versus Buddhism or Vaisheshika versus Buddhism or Nyaya Vaisheshika versus Buddhism. Once again, complex part hai. As a ground of qualities, Nyaya Vaisheshika has accepted substance. Ground of material qualities, material substance. Ground of conscious qualities, conscious substance. Accepted soul, material substance. Buddhism accepted qualities, but not accepted any substance, eternal, permanent substance as a ground of that one. They have refuted material substance, Yogachar Vijnanavad. Yogachar Vijnanavad, only ideas are real and they are dependent on soul. They have refuted any external objective reality. And here again, as a ground of conscious qualities, even they have refuted eternal soul. अब देखो सवालों को इस पे कितनी बार सवाल है. सबसे कॉम्प्लेक्स क्वेश्चन को देखो. ये बीपीएससी है. सबसे पहले बीपीएससी को देख लेते हैं. पेन 64. Then I will discuss. See. What is Zabya substance? According to Vaisheshika's. You will write what is Zabya substance? You will start Vaisheshika philosophy. Vaisheshikas have supported pluralism from metaphysical point of view. They have accepted total 7 padarthas classified in 2 groups, Bhava Padarth and Abhava Padarth. Zab is a kind of Bhava Padarth. It's a Bhava Padarth. 3 lines complete. After that, Zab is defined as that where qualities and action inhere. Zab वो है जिसमें qualities and action inhere and which is the coexistence material cause of the composite objects produced from it. And make a chart which I जो cloth वाला chart है. Clear? Second point. How do the Vaisheshikas refute the Buddhist confession that there is not Zabya over and above its different gunas, qualities, discuss reasonably. So Buddhists have accepted qualities, but as a ground of qualities, they have denied eternal substance. They have denied material substance, Yogachar Vijnanavad, and they have outrightly denied material substance, and they have even denied permanent eternal soul also as a spiritual substance. Buddhist Nyaya controversy or Buddhist Vaisheshika controversy. This was asked in BPSC, not a new question. UPSC का सवाल है. 19 में था, 2019 में. और अब देखो IAS में. C1 by 2010. Can qualities exist? See the point. Can qualities exist without substance? In the light of Nyaya Buddhism controversy. Can qualities exist without substance? Buddhism, yes. Nyayika, no. qualities are always dependent on substance. Substance is the locus ground substratum of qualities. अगर आप कहते हो पेन इज ए काइंड ऑफ कॉन्सियस क्वालिटी, तो हवा में थोड़ी रहेगा पेन, ये कॉन्सियस एलिमेंट में रहेगा पेन. Taste, smell, certainly will find some ground. So can qualities exist without substance? Buddhism, yes, qualities exist without substance. Nyaya, no. Total 24 qualities classified in two groups: conscious qualities, conscious substance; material qualities, ground is material substance. Buddhism denied. 10 में पहली बार, 2010 once. देखो सवाल को. 2015, 10 के बाद 5 साल के बाद. Our knowledge is confined to gunas alone. Our knowledge is confined to gunas alone, said by Buddhism. Examine this statement in the light of Vaisesika and Buddhism. Vaisesika, as I have said, our knowledge is not confined to gunas, but as a ground of gunas, we are bound to accept dravyas also. And dravyas are knowable. Our knowledge is confined to gunas alone. According to whom? Buddhism. And according to Nyaya, not gunas alone. Apart from gunas, as a ground or locus of gunas, we are bound to accept dravyas. Same वही सवाल. एक बार फिर से देख लो. बीपीएस यूपीपीसीएस में, बीपीएससी में है, और अदरवाइज ट्वाइस इन आईएएस. Twice in IAS and otherwise once in BPSC. It should be clear. No. Qualities are mere qualities. Vaisesika's qualities are mere qualities, Vikas Kumar. In Sankhya philosophy, each quality has a number of qualities. But here, qualities are those which are inherent in substance. In one quality, we do not find any quality. In one quality, you can't find any other action. Here, qualities are mere qualities, but there must be some ground of quality. So, who is the ground of quality? Substance. अभी हमने देखा, और पहले देखो. See, what is substance? Dravya, where quality is in here and the action is also here. So quality is in here in substance, but in this quality we do not find any other quality. Must be aware. Clear? Guna vichar clear. Debate clear. Dravya guna. Karmaj. Clear? Note down karmaj. Karmaj are there. Same thing which you have to write. सेम पैटर्न पे कर्माज को भी कर दोगे, एक्शन को भी. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इंट्रोडक्शन, 4 lines introduction. After that, meaning of karmas. So karmas are those which are inhere in substance. Inhere in substance. Karma is that which inhere in substance. In karma, we do not find any other karma. Or in action, we do not find any other action. In action, we do not find any qualities also. In one action, we do not find another action. In action, we do not find any other quality. It is inherent in substance. 5 kinds of कर्मा, जिसको छोड़ सकते हो, कोई बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, साइड लाइन. एक्चुअल भी टच है, और जहां कॉन्सेप्ट है वहां कॉन्सेप्ट पे भी सतर्क रहो. नाउ नोट डाउन वैशेषिका. दिस नेक्स्ट वन, द्रव्य गुण कर्म सामान्य. अब इसको स्टार दे लो. आप क्यों नहीं पूछ रहा इतने दिनों से? स्टार दे लो, 22 लिख लो, यूनिवर्सल लिख लो. बीपीएससी, यूपीपीसी सबके लिए रेडी है. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू सी दिस वन इन डिटेल. कर्माज साइड लाइन, नो जरूरत नहीं है ज़्यादा डिटेल में जाने की. फ्यू लाइन्स सफिशिएंट। जब मैंने बोला वहां माथा पचीने की रिसर्च वहीं पे करो जहां मैंने मना किया। इसको देख लेना ठीक से। पॉसिबल टू आस्क हाउ यू विल राइट इंट्रोडक्शन। Visheshika have supported pluralism, accepted 7 padarthas classified in 2 groups. Samman is a kind of bhava padarth. Clear. Kind of bhava padarth. Now meaning or definition. Definition of Samman. 2-3 लाइन 4 लाइन केवल याद करो, पूरा पूरा लिख लोगे। डेफिनेशन। पॉसिबल टू आस्क क्वेश्चन, नोट कर लेना। Which is eternal, one and residing in many. This is the definition of substance. This is the definition of universal given by Vaisheshika philosopher. Which is eternal, one and residing in many. Eternal, one and residing in many. Sanskrit it is said nityam ekanugatam samanyam. Nityam, eternal, ekam, one, and anek mein vidyaman, residing in many. This is the definition given by Vaisheshika philosopher. Nityam ekanugatam samanyam. Now features. Features of samanya. Hold on. Features of samanya. It is one. It is one, but where it resides, they are many. But where it resides, they are many. For example, cowness is one, cows are many. Manness is one, men are many. Second, it is eternal. But where it resides, they are impermanent. जैसे cowness is eternal, cows impermanent. Manness eternal, but where it resides, men, they are impermanent. Universally accepted as a class concept, class essence, or it is accepted as class concept or class essence. It is accepted as class concept or class essence. That is common and essential quality, common and essential quality of all the members of a particular class. Common and essential quality of all the members of a particular class. Common and essential quality of all the members of a particular class. The introduction, 2-3 lines. Definition: Nityanal, one and residing in many. Features: although it is one, it's a cowness one है, but where it resides, they are many. Cows are many. Although it is eternal, cowness is eternal, but where it resides, cowness, they are impermanent. It's a class concept or class essence. What do you mean by class essence? Common essential feature of all the members of a particular class. For example, cowness in cows, manness in men. Cowness in cows, manness in men. Now, first of all, introduction, definition, features, just here. Why Samman is a padarth? Why Samman is a padarth? Why Samman should be accepted as a category? यही सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट होगा. Why Samman is a padarth? First point, since Samanya has also a meaning, that's why it is a Padarth. Since Samanya, meaning of a word is called Padarth. So the term Samanya also has a meaning, that's why it is a Padarth. Second, since it is knowable and nameable, that's why it is a Padarth. Since it is knowable and nameable. Since it is knowable and nameable, that's why it is a Padarth. Since it is knowable and nameable, that's why it is a Padarth. Since it is knowable and nameable, that's why it is a Padarth. Samanya or universals are accepted as knowable. Samanya or universals are accepted as knowable. Samanya or universals are accepted as knowable. Since Vaisesikas support realism, since Vaisesikas supports realism, that's why since Vaisesikas support realism, that's why they have accepted existence of universal as separate and independent from knower. That's why they've accepted as existence of universal as separate and independent from knower. Universal is separate and independent from knower. It is objectively real. Accepted objective reality of Samanya. Samanyas are objectively real. Really exist outside from our mind. Really exist outside from our mind. Really exist outside independent from our mind. Why Samanya should be accepted as a पदार्थ? देखो आप, जैसे यहाँ पे देखो, कैसे गेम खेलोगे. For example, how do the Nayayika justify introduction of Abhava as an independent category? Why Abhava is a category? Abhava is a category or. 2013. What are the grounds for accepting Samvaya as a distinct Padartha? ये कई बार क्वेश्चन इसी से मिलता जुलता. Why Samvaya or Abhava is accepted as a Padartha? Why Abhava should be accepted as a Padartha? Why Samvaya should be accepted as a Padartha? Or why Samanya should be accepted as a Padartha? So first point, since Abhava has a meaning, that's why it is a Padartha. Or since Samanya has a meaning, that's why it is a Padartha. Or since Samvaya has a meaning, that's why it is a Padartha. Meaning of a word is called Padartha. So Samvaya is a word, it has a meaning, that's why it is a Padartha. And second one is regarding any one of them, you can say. Since Samvaya is also knowable and nameable, that's why it is a Padartha. Since Saman is also knowable and nameable, that's why it is a Padartha. So लिखते जाओ, possible to write. Why not down? Knowledge of Saman. How we find knowledge of Saman? Going to Nyayas. Going to Nyaya. Knowledge of Saman is possible through, according to Nyaya, Vaisheshika, you may write, Nyaya Vaisheshika. Knowledge of Saman is possible through, क्योंकि knowledge पे ज़्यादा काम उसने न्याय ने किया है, तो न्याय लिख लेंगे. According to Nyaya, knowledge of Saman is possible through सामान्य लक्षण perception. Possible through सामान्य लक्षण perception, which is a kind of an extraordinary perception. Knowledge of Saman is possible through सामान्य लक्षण perception. सामान्य लक्षण perception. which is a kind of extraordinary perception, which is a kind of extraordinary perception, which is a kind of extraordinary perception. Which is a kind of extraordinary perception. Clear? Which is a kind of extraordinary perception. So if question is asked regarding someone, you may write like that. Introduction. Vaisheshika philosophers have accepted pluralism, accepted total 7 padarth, classified in 2 groups, bhava and abhava. Samman is a bhava padarth. Samman is eternal, one and residing in many. It is one, but where it exists, they are many. It is eternal, in itself it is eternal. Kauness is eternal, but where it resides, they are, where they will find origin and decay, they are impermanent. It is accepted as class concept or class essence, that is common and essential feature of all the members of a particular class. Example, countless, manness, etc. Countless, manness, etc. Why Sammanya should be accepted as a padarth? Since the term Sammanya, Sammanya or the word Samman has also a meaning, that's why it is a padarth. Since Samman is knowable and knowable, that's why it is a padarth. Samman is knowable and knowable exists outside independent from us. That's why, according to Vaisheshika, objective reality of Samman is accepted with it. Samman is objectively real, it's not a mental creation, as it was accepted by Buddhism. How we find knowledge of Samman? Samanya Lakshana perception, we have discussed this one already. ये स्टार दिलो क्यों नहीं आया है अभी तक? न्याय, बुद्धिज्म, कंट्रोवर्सी रिगार्डिंग सामान्य, ये आएगा ही जब आ जाए, आना ही है, कब आएगा? सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट ये, इस पे सवाल नहीं पूछ रहा है, जो लेस इंपॉर्टेंट है उस पर क्वेश्चन इन्होंने पूछ लिया है. न्याय, बुद्धिज्म, कंट्रोवर्सी रिगार्डिंग सामान्य. न्याय, बुद्धिज्म, कंट्रोवर्सी रिगार्डिंग सामान्य. Note down, according to Buddhism, Sammanya or universal is a mental construction. It's a mental construct. It's a mental construct. Samman is not a kind of, Samman is not a objective reality. Samman is not an objective reality. Samman is not an objective reality which is separate and independent from our mind. Samman is not an objective reality which is separate and independent from our mind. According to Buddhism, ध्यान रखना, ये दूसरे एग्जाम में भी इंपॉर्टेंट हो सकता है. According to Buddhism, a cow is called cow. A cow is called cow not because it has cowness, not because it has cowness, but it is called cow because, it's called cow because, बड़ा ध्यान देना है लैंग्वेज पे, बड़ा टिपिकल लैंग्वेज है. It is called cow because it is different from non-cows. It is different from non-cows. This theory is called Apohavad. Cow means negation of non-cow. Negation of non-cow. The term cow means negation of non-cow. This is called Apohavad. Apohavad. Theory of double negation. Apohavad. A cow is called if you will see, ask from Nayaikas, why a cow is called cow? Since it has cowness. A cow is called cow since it has cowness. But according to Nyaya, but according to Buddhism, a cow is called cow not because it has cowness. A cow is called cow since it is different from non-cows. Here, cow means negation of non-cows. Or a cow is called cow since it is different from non-cows. You must be aware. See, here cow and these are non-cow, imagine, non-cow. Cow opposite हो गया non-cow, different from non-cow. Different करोगे तो cut करोगे. So cow means cow, but not directly. In one sense, apohvad indicates theory of double negation. P means not P. Apohvad in one sense supports theory of double negation. In one sense supports theory of double negation. P means not P. P means not P. Theory of double negation. Apohvad. Universal is mere a mental construct. It is not objectively real. No. A cow is called cow since it is different from non-cows. Universal is not required. According to Buddhism, universal is mere a mental construction. Like universal, nothing exists in this universe. Nyaya philosophy, a cow is called cow since it has cowness. Buddhist philosophy, a cow is called cow since it is different from non-cows. That's why it is called cow. And this theory is known as apohvad. Apohvad supports theory of double negation. In this way, they have refuted objective reality of samanya. In this way, Buddhists have rejected objective reality of samanya. Nyaya Vaisheshikas have explained universal from realistic point of view. Nyaya Vaisheshikas have explained universal from realistic point of view. बुद्धिज्म नॉमिनलिस्टिक है, न्याय रियलिस्टिक है. न्याय वैशेषिक जब एक्सप्लेन सामान्य फ्रॉम रियलिस्टिक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. अकॉर्डिंग टू देम, सामान्य और यूनिवर्सल इज नोएबल. यूनिवर्सल इज नोएबल. सामान्य इज नोएबल, universal is knowable, and it has its own separate and independent existence from our mind. And it has its own separate and independent existence from our mind. Non-cow means different from cows. Here cow, non-cow means, for example, जितना एनिमल का नाम लिख सकते हो, टाइगर, कैट, डॉग, all are non-cow. Non-cow means different. Cow, non-cow means opposite from cow. काऊ का जितना, काऊ को छोड़कर जितनी चीजें होंगी, ह्यूमन बींग्स सब आ जाएगा. वी आर नॉन काऊ. पी का जैसे निगेशन हुआ, नॉट पी हुआ, निगेशन नॉट पी, और नॉट पी को नॉट कर दो. काऊ मीन्स नॉट नॉन काऊ. काऊ मीन्स नॉट नॉन काऊ. Not non. The term cow means not non-cow, or means negation of non-cow, or you can say not non-cow. ये भी लिख लो. Cow means not non-cow. Buddhism. A cow is called cow since it is different from non-cows. Buddhism. Nyaya, a cow is called cow since it has cowness. Yes, Buddhism उससे कर सकते हो in one sense. बट प्रॉब्लम है, ध्यान रखना आयुष, न्यायिका's definition, न्यायिका's concept is in one sense you will find similarity with Plato. प्लेटो में भी यूनिवर्सल को रियल माना गया था, ऑब्जेक्टिवली रियल. न्याय वैशेषिका जब एक्सेप्टेड ऑल्सो यूनिवर्सल एज ऑब्जेक्टिवली रियल. क्लियर? क्लास मीन्स क्लास कैरेक्टर इन सी वी आर मेन, हम लोग का एक क्लास है मेन का, इन ऑल मेन मैननेस, ऑल काउज काउनेस। तो क्लास कॉन्सेप्ट कौन है या क्लास का एसेंस कौन है? व्हाट इज द कॉमन एसेंशियल फीचर ऑफ ऑल द मेंबर ऑफ ए पर्टिकुलर क्लास? तो जैसे काउज काउज हुआ, ऑल काउज में क्या है? काउनेस है। तो इट इज एक्सेप्टेड एज क्लास एसेंस और क्लास कॉन्सेप्ट यूनिवर्सल। ये बीपीएससी में इंपॉर्टेंट है। अपोहवाद ध्यान करना, अपोहवाद बीपीएससी वाले, आईएएस में तो आज तक पूछा ही नहीं गया है। आई हैव डिस्कस दिस वन बट एंड व्हाई दे हैव नो, ये सवाल आया क्यों नहीं अभी तक सामान्य पे? बीपीएससी में एक दो बार ये आ चुका है अपोहवाद। बेसिक फंडा शुड बी क्लियर। अपोहवाद is a theory related to सामान्य. Universal is a mere mental construction. Universal is not an objective reality. A cow is called cow not because it has cowness, but a cow is called cow since it is different from non-cow. Cow means not non-cow. So cow means negation of non-cow. In one sense, it supports theory of double negation. Clear? Clear? Now tomorrow we'll see the remaining parts. Tomorrow no holiday, Sunday, but class will be there. No need. जना को किनारे किनारे करो। क्वेश्चन होगा अगर सर यही सवाल आज तक नहीं पूछा जो सबसे ज्यादा फाइट है, एनिज्म को किनारे कर दो, बगल में लिख दो नहीं पूछेगा, लिख दो नॉट। पहले सिलेबस में हम मैंने सिलेबस में कुछ ज्यादा ही उसको कवरेज कर दिया है, और जो कंट्रोवर्सी है वो न्याय बुद्धिस्ट कंट्रोवर्सी है। अब जाके फिर से पढ़ना, अपोवाद में हो ना, ऐसे बोलते कि समझ में आ गया तो मैं बोलता कि ठीक से नहीं पढ़े हो। अब सही बोल रहे हो, नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड फ्रॉम प्रिंटेड, नाउ करेक्ट। नाउ गो थ्रू दैट वन once again. Nyaya, cow is called cow since cowness, it has cowness. Cowness is the class concept, class essence. Cowness is the common essential features of all cows. A cow is called cow since it has cowness. Buddhism, a cow is called cow not because it has cowness. They have rejected already cowness. A cow is called cow if it is different from, मान लो काउ है तो ये नॉन काउ है, इससे डिफरेंट करोगे तो cow means cow but not directly. P means P not P. आपने P का अपोजिट क्या हुआ? नॉट P, और नॉट P को रिफ्यूट कर दो। जैसे काउ का अपोजिट क्या हुआ? नॉन काउ। नॉन काउ में सब चीजें आ जाएंगी। वी कैन इंक्लूड ईच एंड एवरीथिंग विच आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम काउज। जितने एनिमल्स है, जितनी चीजें, वर्ल्ड के सारे ऑब्जेक्ट्स, दे आर नॉन काउज। काउ को छोड़कर, एक्सेप्ट काउज, ईच एंड एवरीथिंग विल बी इंक्लूडेड इन दिस ग्रुप। ना इसको नॉट कर दो, इसको नॉन नॉन लगा दो, नॉट कर दो, नॉट नॉन काउ। इट मीन्स P means not P. In one sense it supports double negation में बात करता है बुद्धिज्म। Tomorrow we'll see the remaining parts. Tomorrow 7:30 must be aware. Tomorrow also क्लास जारी रहेगा। क्लियर? बीच में चूंकि एक दिन ऑफ हो गया था। क्लियर? Tomorrow we'll see the remaining parts. Thank you.